Okay, here we have a little HP laptop. It is a HP laptop DY15XXX. It was released in 2019. It learned Windows 11. This is my background for my lock screen. I hope you enjoy it. I think it's pretty good. Now we're back on the desktop. As you can see, it loads the Windows 11. The Windows 11 looks pretty good. Let's zoom in on the little laptop. We have the call I3, and the nice call I3. To go to about your PC. About your PC, so I have 8 gigs of DDR4 RAM. 8 gigs of DDR4. 7.69 gigs usable. We have a Intel Core i3, 1.2 GHz. As we scroll down on the mouse pad, just like this, we have Windows 11 Home. It runs pretty good. Alright, that is my review of the 2019 HP laptop.